Alright guys, well welcome back to Big Jim's Workshop. It's been a while since I've uploaded a new video. I had to change jobs, I don't know if you can tell by the shirt. I'm still doing the exact same thing I was doing before. I still work on the same car line. I just do it for a different dealership now. The one I was working for is pulling a lot of shady things and I just could not deal with it anymore. But with that being said, where I'm at now, I need a reliable computer to do my job. The one I was using, yeah, it kind of got me by, but it couldn't handle the workload. So I figured I'd take the opportunity to build another computer. Why not? So with that being said, I started shopping. I knew I didn't want a full ATX or larger computer, so I decided to go with a mini series this time. So I'm going to use the ROG Strix X470 iGaming paired up with a GeForce RTX 2060 from Zotac. All going with a Ryzen 7 3700X. It's a 3rd gen CPU. I got some Bigjim's RAM and just a simple SSD. I'm going to be putting it all in the Core V1 from Thermaltake, which honestly, from what I've seen of it, is actually a really decent mini ITX case. It doesn't have all the glitz and glamour. I'm not going to have water cooling or any of that. It's just going to be a workhorse is all it's going to be. It's fully overkill for what I need for work, but why not? I don't ever have to upgrade it for a long time. Well, the reason I'm doing this out here, my office is a complete mess and so is the garage, and I need this thing for tomorrow. So I have to get it running tonight. So I figure wife's closing, kids in her room playing video games on her computer. Now is the perfect time to start making a mess out here in the kitchen and dining area. So why not come along? Let's get started. Okay.
No, God!
Alright guys, what you can see is I finally got this thing up and running. This has actually been quite an adventure. This has taken a couple weeks to actually build. Some of the issues I had was when I bought the motherboard, they didn't tell me that, well, I didn't realize that the BIOS on it wasn't compatible with the 3rd gen CPUs. I don't have an extra one I could just slap it in it real quick without disassembling my other computers, and I'm not about to do all that. I got a hold of the manufacturer, which was Asus. They were great as could be. They had no problem me just shipping it off to them. They updated all the BIOS, tested everything, sent it all back to me. But for some reason I was still having an issue powering it up. After going back and forth with Asus and AMD and all of them, we all kind of came to the agreement that the CPU I bought, a brand new one out of the box, was no good. So I luckily was able to take it back to Best Buy where I bought it. I still had the receipt. It was past the 15-day, but once I explained everything that I've tried and done and everyone I've been in contact with and everything like that, they actually had no problems just doing a straight up exchange. And got home with it not last night, but the night before. I finally had some time last night to get back on this thing and get to work. I didn't film any of that. I probably should have, because it was a lot of work. I must have taken this thing apart 3 or 4 times. But as you can see, it's all up and running. I've got Windows already installed, got my car on the cover, I gotta have that. Now this is going to be a computer for my work. It is very much overkill, like pretty much everything else I do. But it's good. It'll work for everything I need and then some. I shouldn't have any issues with it at work, so. If you like the video, let me know. I'm gonna try and start making more videos again. I know it's been a while. I've just had so much going on between family and changing jobs and getting used to the new job that it's just been too chaotic, and frankly I've just been too tired to even consider trying to get out in the garage and do anything. I needed this for work. The one I was using takes 30-40 minutes just to boot up, and then the screens keep freezing. It's just been nothing but headaches and problems. So I built this. I'm gonna take this to work on Monday and get it all set up and show it off to everyone there. They're gonna enjoy it. In a second I will show you some footage on the inside. But probably not the best cable management job I've ever done. Still not the worst. I'll pop some of these covers off and take some footage up for you. Probably up on screen right now. So with that being said, if you liked it, share me or hit me up with a like. Let me know what you think. I'm going to try and start making more videos. I really need to get back into this. It's just, like I said, been chaotic. So if you liked it, subscribe, hit me up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Till then, stay safe, have fun.